Hey guys. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. You know the giant's right there? Huh? Well, you tune in the latest banger in YouTube. Let's go. I'm getting far away from Muhammad. Okay. What? My bike? Why is it in here? Let's put it in my coat. Remember? Yeah? What? What, bro? I don't even know what. Guys, just in the latest banger. Whoosh! Woo! My phone, bro. What the heck? Where'd it go? Caught you on cam, boys. Let's go. Okay, I better be quick before car comes out of my way. Out of my way, boys. We're going. I'm coming, Muhammad. For you. Hehe. Damn it. Bro. Go down. Here we go. We got my boy, Muhammad. Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Sometimes we're gonna put it on the
Camera. I keep on sneezing this time. I need it to stop. Whoa, don't get that in my face. Corn cam. We got me in the channel. You better subscribe. You better subscribe, guys. No. It is very cloudy out there. Look it out there. It's cloudy. There's raindrops falling out of the sky. What the heck? Corn cam. Bro. You was caught on the cam, bro. Caught on the cam. You're not a cam, bro.
What is that?
You're just Muhammad. Like, seriously.
Y'all can calm down.
Seriously. Also, I have a TikTok account. You should follow. Wow. You see? I was 3 years old. What the? I'm statue. Okay. What the? Nope. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Let's end the video.
Stop it. Get him.
No, what the heck? Nah. What the heck are you doing, Muhammad? Huh?
What is he even doing?
What are you even doing?
Let me show you how to use it. Like this and like
Oh, nah, bro.
I'm gonna do some.
I'm gonna do some Minecraft. Shall I do some Minecraft?
Are you acting like Steve from Minecraft?
No.
What the heck, bro? Yo, I'm kind of cold.
Guys, let's see. Oh, guys, I mind the tree. Now let's
Mind a tree, bro. You better mind a tree. Look it out there. It's very cloudy out there. And I think there's going to be a tornado. I think.
No, there's no tornadoes today. Tomorrow.
Can you shut up, boy? Look it out there. It's cloudy. Cloudy. There'll be a tornado.
I'll rip some off.
What? It's kind of rainy.
Wow.
Look it out there. It's cloudy. And right now, the tune is in the video. What going on? What is that? Is this a phone ringing?
This is a wooden axe.
Why are you acting like Steve again? Bro, why do you have the gloves? Why do you have the gloves? What the heck? Look at this Gooday.
Hi, Randy.
Oh, I don't know why I keep sniffing. Also, why ain't the door closed? I don't know, guys. As you can know, we're in the video. Look at over there. Also, you're calling Cam.
Guys, I'm gonna do.
What? Look, they're over there. Hi. Okay, we're in the Tunis video.
Use up.
Yeah? Huh?
Wait,
Bird?
I'm gonna break it.
What the heck, bro? What the heck, bro?
what the heck?
Bro, what the heck are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing?
Just breaking the... Okay.
And I'm
Not break this. This is a golden axe.
Oh, there's an ant. There's an ant coming for you. Oh, it's gone now.
Oh no, I'm gonna kill someone.
There's another one.
Oh no, bro.
No, bro. The actual... Are you just killing the ant? Bro, you just killed an ant. One kill. You just crushed it. Oh, I see. Oh my god, caught having blood. Ain't there another ant? Oh, do you know that? Oh, I see one. No. But it's, oh my god. It's actually one. What the heck? Wow! A bee! What the? Huh? There's a bee! Like, what the heck? Dude! What are you doing? Why?
Oh no, bro.
Oh no! What the heck? Look at them!
Guys, let's go inside.
Nah. Go inside. Go inside. Nah, I think it's a storm time.
That is
My chickens are like already like sleeping.
I think there's actually a storm right now.
Mine got fat.
Guys, go inside.
Get inside, get inside. Get inside, boy. Sorry, get inside. Sorry? Because there's a storm, I think. Because it's just raining. Raining.
Come on, bro. Go inside. Quick, quick, quick.
Go inside right now, right now. Because I think there's a storm. Put your shoes off. Put your shoes off, bro.
Bro, get inside. Get inside. Get inside, bro.
Let's listen.